everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are exploring some trails around near where we live, trying out the new tyres that we put on the bikes. All easy trails that we're on today. Just wanted to get out and get back on the bikes and enjoy a little bit of off-roading and try out these new tyres. So Sophie's on the Kenda big blocks and I'm on my Tussio 7s. So we'll see how they work out for the pair of us today. First time Sophie's really been off-road today, so we're staying on the fairly easy trails. And since I was last in Wales on the Tiger, it's also the first time that I've been off-road, so a few little loopy trails to do, and they're connected by some little tarmac lanes. So yeah, also trying out my new Garmin, see how that works. So head off and find the next trail now. that was a nice way of reminding myself how unfit I am. I've done about 20 miles of trails altogether, some of them more challenging than others, but the bike's performed well. The tyres are, I think we made the right choice with the tyres. They seem to be great on the road now. They've bedded in a bit, and off-road they've got plenty of grip, except when it gets really muddy, but then it doesn't really matter what sort of tyres you got on. Had a couple of unexpectedly deep ruts with some massive puddles in. Got water over the top of my boots. They were that deep. We made it through. Both of us have ridden off-road in the past, but they've been smaller bikes. Today was really the first time that we've took these bikes off-road properly. So it was good to get a feel for what the bigger bikes are like off-road. I'm really pleased that we did the tyre swap the other week. Performing really well. Found some nice lanes locally. So, well, all in all, excellent way to remind myself how unfit I am on a Sunday morning. So yeah, invested in a 360 camera, which will allow me to mix up my footage a little bit more, which will be good. And on that note, if you like what you see, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down below. Check back next week for more new content. Until then, get on those bikes, enjoy them, ride safe, and I'll see you again next week.